So the reason behind making this video, I'll let you know in the end. So about my business, we are into bike rental services in the Hyderabad. I'll let you know the journey which I've started with the Galaxy Web Tech. Hello everyone, this is Ravi Tejandar from Start Rights LLP. I'm one of the board of director of this company. So the reason behind making this video, I'll let you know in the end. So about my business, we are into bike rental services in the Hyderabad. I'll let you know the journey which I've started with the Galaxy Web Tech team. So we have already a pre-designed website and which has been moved into Galaxy hosting server and domain as well. Post that the Vikas have gave me the idea of putting a Google ad and SEO development for my website. So gradually he started working on the SEO development, which takes approximately 5 to 6 months to get in the best position of the ranking. So within 3 months, he made it in the top three, but the given timeline was 6 months, which he met earlier itself. So coming to the keywords, he has really a good idea of doing it. So he kept a certain age criteria for the people, and the person who require these services will only get this advertisement in the Google. So this has saved me a lot of money for our business, like rather than doing it everywhere in the online. For an example, like if you give an advertisement to the person who doesn't even have a kind of requirement, it's completely a loss to your business. It doesn't give you any profit on that. So he suggested me to giving putting the ad for the only required people. So this gave me a lot of profits in my business. And coming to the requirements and the developments for the website, what we need is like which can be implemented in every area if there's a feasibility. So I'll share my experience previously when I have reached to the 4 to 5 different companies for the requirement of my website. Before listening to my requirement, they started giving me the suggestions which are feasible to be developed rather than the unique idea what we have. So when it comes to the Vikas, he has a really lot of patience, and I really appreciated the person in this field. Having that kind of patience is really good when compared to the previous persons. I say that this is one of the best experience I have. So here what happens is like I gave him the requirement and he started giving me the idea how the requirement works and what are the glitch we might face in the future and what kind of the benefits we have if we use any other kind of solution. So he gave me the comparison, and that is really useful for me to think about it. So as I said, I'll share you the reason behind making this video. So previously reaching out to the Vikas, I used to work with another developer. So at that point of time, there were no sales, and we are completely made a zero sales in that month. And at that point of time, I thought to close this business, and post that I have reached the because the main reason behind this is like the previous developer suggested me to use the Instagram and Instagram post, and where the celebrities who has a lot of fame, we need to pay money for them to put a post or to put any kind of videos for our website. I mean, like for our company. So they used to charge us a huge amount of money. But here what happens is like the person who has a requirement and the person who doesn't have a requirement both will view this, and we are not sure when they are going to reach us back. But when coming to the Google Ads idea which has been given by Vikas, the person whoever has the requirement, that person will only search in the Google for the bike rental services. So at that time, your developer should have a strong knowledge on this area so that you will be showing in the top one. So the customer will start reaching you at that point of time. So this job has been made by the Vikas. It's really wonderful, and from that point of time, we have started growing our business from 0 to 5 digits. So currently, we are running a business in 5-digit profit.